Spring break, summer break, any given weekend, we need a road trip, both an escape and a way forward. Take any open pathway. Find an engine with wheels. Gather enough fuel to move forward. That's all it takes. That, and you getting behind the wheel. Road life affords you time and landscape. Striking out, moving forward, rolling toward the fleeing sunlight is truly living. A road trip is the chance to grab mobility toward any other place, every other opportunity. And you know, I love to travel by any means necessary. Driving is different. From one place to the next, it gives you a picture of the whole. It stitches together everything between your past and your destination. Instead of life and earth being scenes in isolation, living becomes connected. When I was a child, my grandparents used to load up the Ford LTD Country Squire station wagon. Hopefully, I've done this to my children. Every year we are cruising north, south, east, or west, children in the back seat. Between bursts of iPad games and graphic novels, they look out the window. I bring up stories about this place or that landmark. They ask questions, we answer them, or lie, which leads to conversations about motivation, morality, and meaning. Travel has given them a fourth dimension to their identity. A family gets tired, kids push back for downtime, and that's how we landed in Michigan. I still stand on the overpass and feel my chest constrict at the vehicles rolling away. Hopefully, my children will have the obsession of chasing the dawn or the sunset. How to plan my trip? Van life, tiny house, full-time RV movements all look sexy as hell on Instagram. But you need the assurance of packed resources for that autonomy. And road trip apps make your road trip more intentional. Need to find your way there. Guesswork about the weather. Begin organizing your resources. Think of your car as being a backpack. Start with what you got. Go to your closet, garage, attic, or local thrift shop. See what options you have. How to fund road life? Digital nomads find part-time or full-time remote employment over the internet. Others find on-site, seasonal, or part-time work in locations they want to experience. Split the cost across a group of travelers. Outdoor gear manufacturer Low Alpine used to have the motto, "You can't be lost if you don't care where you are."